current South African population of these birds are around 5,000 adults. Ironically, African black oyster catchers don't eat oysters. They feed mainly on mussels and limpets. Prying predators also play a role. Inconsiderate fishermen are also a concern. Fishing lines and other waste left behind interfere with their feeding and their safety. Their feet become entangled in the fishing lines.
Ek glo dit is ons verantwoordelikheid as die intelligenter wesens om diere te beskerm wat juis deur ons toedoen se getalle besig is om te verminder. Ek kan my nie voorstel 'n wêreld sonder die diere wat ons vandag het. Daar kan ek nie sowel op Mars gaan lewe.